Hey y'all, it's Karen Denton, owner of KSC Commercial Cleaning Service and your KSC bidding consultant and owner of the KSC building. It's been a busy day. I got on my vest because I had to go down to the hospital project. There was a punch list, and guess what the punch list was? The punch list was some bottles around the drain on the roof, which we never found. They sent me pictures, never found, but I found a bunch of bottles on the roof. So, anyway, so I had to do that today, and I'm actually, remember I told y'all I got awarded another school from college, so I put out a hiring ad on Indeed, a paid one, and I'm telling you, I got so many hits that I'm going to do a group interview. I'm going to do a group interview because I can't interview all them people one at a time. And then since I'm looking for people who live near the school. So, either way, they got to be trained, either way it go. So, yeah, so I got to do that. So tomorrow, I'm going to re-walk the school so I can really take a look. You know, you see stuff the first time, especially it's like 3 or 4 buildings, separate buildings at this one. So, and then there's seasonal work. It's going to be a challenge too, because it's going to be different. And so, I'm trying to find people who live near there, because when I go to hire people for certain opportunities, I gotta look at where they live, how far they have to travel, because yeah, they might say they'll take it, but when the wintertime come, it'd be a whole nother problem. So we ain't doing that, because this school is like 40 minutes away from my office, and this is a 5-day-a-week, and it's during the day, not at night. It's during school hours. And it's no, they don't want a day porter or nothing like I got, well, which I had at the other school, but now I got 3 shifts. So I don't know how they're going to want it. And they don't really know either, because they took out their in-house staff and put them somewhere else, and their in-house staff really didn't have no system. I mean, my team created a system at the other school. So, gotta just see how I go. But I'm going to go there tomorrow and do a re-walk. Yeah. So that's what's going on with that. And this is the client that was late payments. But it's on track. Everything's on track. I'm in the portal. I can see it. Everything. So we moving on. Now I need the people to fulfill the contract. I was looking for people prior when I bidded on it, when he told me he had another school, but then it just got approved. So now I start a real search. And then let me see, I got a new account that we opened up on the 31st Friday. And then the apartment turnovers start on Saturday, all the way to the 15th. And they're supposed to give us like 15 apartments a day. And then, like I said, they're not all full apartments. Some of them, and they got a system that they'll give us to tell us what rooms to clean or what apartment to clean, because every apartment doesn't need clean. It might just need a room or something. So I need some more people for that, because I want to fulfill, well, it just depends how the first day go. I want to fulfill those 15 apartments a day. Because when we sat down, they asked me, could I handle 15 apartments a day? And of course, you know, I said yeah. Because I'll make it happen. So, yep, so that's what's going on. I just wanted to do a little quick video, let y'all hear what my day and coming days is going to be like. And we're still not done with that hospital project. You know, cleaning, at least the part we're doing, but usually y'all know cleaners are always the last to go in. So, yeah. Alright, y'all, that's all I got. Just wanted to give y'all a quick update. Talk to you soon.